want to talk today a little bit about brainwriting. I've used it a lot in my career, and uh, this is, I think, one of the more interesting brainstorming techniques. Uh, and that is simply because you interact with each other's ideas and build upon that, rather than in the end of a brainstorm where you see each other ideas and only then you can talk about it. Um, So that interaction is very nice and creates richer ideas. Next to that, I think it's good because you're not shouting your ideas to the organizer who's writing it down on a whiteboard, but you are writing it down. So also a bit more I would say more the shy people or the people who tend to be a bit quieter in the office. They actually have a lot of good ideas, and you can get their input as well. Finally, yeah, it creates some team bonding because you are interacting with each other's ideas. Uh, so that helps as well, sort of like an acknowledgement that you have good ideas. Or maybe that was not a good idea as such yet, but after some extra modification by the other team members in the brainwriting session, it really became a great idea. And that's what I've seen a lot in the past, that people who would not be normally bonding together, the moment they share an idea and have built upon each other's idea, suddenly they are coming together and they start thinking about new ideas, or working out that particular idea. So I think that's very interesting, and those are things you don't see back in the regular brainstorm.